Darren Granger at Hi-Spec Precision has just invested in automation, but this is not any automation. This is the Kitamura Mice Center HX250 IG from Dugard. Now this is a horizontal machining center with a 10 pallet changer. Wow, why? Tell us, where did it begin? Why did you go for such a machine?
Well, the milling work has increased and increased over the last year. Op times are getting longer. They're tying machines up for week, 2 weeks at a time. So we needed to look at some way of getting higher production, getting more unmanned hours. Horizontal mills, they're known as production machines, and it seemed an obvious choice. And a 10 pallet pool is the icing on the cake, really.
It certainly is. Now, your machine shop is very unique in a sense that you have lots of different brands here. So what was the reason behind going to Dugard and getting a Kitamura?
The first thing that attracted me with the Kitamura is the footprint. We have a little bit of a space issue as I'm filling up the space we have. And this is, for a horizontal machine, very tiny, perfectly adequate for the components we produce, and it slots right in.
And it's a 250 size and pallet pool, and each pallet can hold 100 kg. What parts are you putting on this machine? Low, high volumes and materials?
It'll be a mixture. I would imagine we'll be looking at anywhere between sort of 10s up to 100s. We've kitted it out with microlock, tombstones and vices, so we'll be able to put multiple jobs on, different batch sizes, schedule it through.
It's like you're adding automation to automation, really, aren't you, when you're doing that?
That's the hope, yeah.
Yeah, and what is it about Kitamura machines that you like?
Whilst we've not had a Kitamura before, they've got a very good reputation. We've looked at the videos you guys have done online. The build quality seems to be good. Everything, the box guideways, the hand scraping, the spindle speed, the power, everything goes in the right direction.
So what's the spec of the machine that you've gone for?
We've got a 30 taper spindle, 50,000 RPM, 102 tools, obviously the 10 pallets. We've got a mist extractor on there, Renishaw spindle probe, Renishaw tool probe.
Yeah, it's highly spec'd, and also if you're running this overnight, the probing is going to come in really useful, isn't it?
Yeah, that's mainly to be checking for tool breakage. If we're doing M2, M3 tapped holes, we want to make sure that the tap's still there.
I must add, Darren, normally that we have the camera, but you've got the camera on us at the moment because there's a camera on the control panel. So what's that used for?
Yeah, that's so they can link into us either at Kitamura or at Dugard for maintenance and even training. And when we had the demo on the machine via Zoom, it was via that camera.
Wow.
So yeah.
And especially in the current climate, that's it's essential really now, and it's a great option to have.
Yeah, we couldn't go down to the showroom to see the machine because of the COVID situation, so it was certainly good being able to link up by that sort of technology.
Now I know you love automation, and this is an extension to your machine shop. What is this really going to do, this horizontal machine going to do to change your business?
It's going to allow us to concentrate on multiple jobs at one time rather than setting a vertical mill to do one job and run it till it's finished. We can schedule pallets in, so if some customer shouts up with something that's urgent, we can drop a pallet into the schedule, put some parts out for them, keep them happy, and then go back to running what we'd pre-planned.
You're really excited about this machine, aren't you?
Yeah, it's going to be a good move.